Good day everyone! On this video we are continuing to review of the new feature from OpenTofu 170. Now have a look on the Loopable import function. So what is this? If you had a chance try to import resources to the Terraform or OpenTofu scripts, you definitely felt the pain of importing of multiple resources. Because, as you can see from this example, we was required to import them one by one in the separated block. And exactly for this, now we can use the loop for and import them all in the single import block. As usual, let's test it on AWS Cloud. For this, I will go and find on the search the EC2 instance Terraform resource. Open it, and we can copy for now the first example only, the which we will use. Open code editor, prepare a new folder, and on our main TF file put the copied before EC2 instance code. We are not going to touch right now any AMI or EC2 instance properties, and going to use the default Ubuntu image with the T3 microtype. But I want to have a couple of instances. For this, I need to declare new variable. We'll call it instance tags, because exactly based on the tags I will create my instances. Type list of string and some values like the web and app. Now on the resource, I need to just specify the count over this variable. And instance tag value, the which we can take from it. Great, nothing new for us. So let's do the init. And implement. Our two instances now in the cloud. Now we need to save their IDs, the which we can find on the outputs from the OpenTofu, or of course inside of the state file. We will use them for the import. For this, remove any cache and actually the state file. And declare the new variable, instance IDs. Type can be like was before, list of the strings, and on the default values, our IDs. In the bottom, define actual import block. Use for each loop over the instance IDs variable. On the two attributes specify our EC2 instance resource. Just make sure that you add two number function for each key. And to ID set the value from our variable. Node behavior will be the next. OpenTofu will trigger the implementation of EC2 instances. But as we have them on the import block, OpenTofu will try to find these instances on AWS Cloud and not create new ones. And based on their properties, build the state file. Let's try. From the plan log, we can find that we will import two resources and the ID of instances are not going to be changed and already predefined. Means that OpenTofu found them on our cloud. And if we will apply it, it will just import these instances to the state file without any actual changes and do this dynamically in the loop, which is pretty cool, I must say. That's all for this video. Now we know how to use the import block on the dynamic way.